drifting sky, tracing steps I've walked before, not knowing fully why. The rhythm feels familiar, like a whisper from the past, showing me the places where old shadows still hold fast. Circles in the quiet dust, repeating through the days, sometimes bringing comfort, sometimes drifting into haze. Every turn reminds me that the lessons come again. Every curve invites me to return and see what's changed since then. Walk in the circle, soft and slow, finding the meaning in the flow. Each rotation lets me see what still remains, what sets me free. Till its truth is shown. And when the wheel grows tighter or the rhythm wears me thin, I pause to breathe and listen for the pathway to begin again. Walking the circles open, I seeing life with new insight. Every loop a chance to grow in the steps I thought I'd always